Hello friend, welcome to Bricks Embedded System tutorial. My name is Rajiv and in this tutorial we are going to learn the hardware detail of 433 MHz wireless module. So in this module you will find two different modules. One is called transmitter and one is called receiver. In the smaller module will be the transmitter. It will receive data on the wire and it transmits the data wirelessly. On this module, most probably we will find four wire. One is VCC, second one is ground, third is data, and fourth wire is for antenna. Sometimes it may be possible that you will have only three wires. One is for VCC, second is ground, and third one is for data. It may be possible you will not have any wire or connector for antenna module. Next, the bigger module is actually the wireless receiver. It will receive data wirelessly and it will transmit the data on pin to the hardware. Now again, there are different type of modules. Sometimes you may find 8 pins on a module. Sometimes you may find 4 pins on your module. In case you have 4 pin, the pins will be ground, VCC, data and antenna. So similarly, I have some other module also. In this module, you can see that the transmitter is having only three wires, and the receiver is having four wires. You can see it's ground, data, and one is VCC. So this might be antenna, or maybe possible that sometimes you have four wires, but these four wires are working like a three wire central. Two central wires will be of same function. So both the wires in the center will be a data wire. This one is ground wire and this is a VCC wire. Similarly, we have one more module with four wire on transmitter and eight wires on receiver. Again, on the back side of this module, you will find all the pins detail like which one is VCC, which one is ground, which one is data, and which one is for antenna. Similarly, on this also you will find a text written on the back side of this module, which is VCC, ground, and data and antenna. Here you can see that on this module it's written it's ground. These two wires are for data. This is for 5-volt VCC supply. Similarly, on this side, this is for 5-volt VCC supply. These two are ground and one is for antenna. And on this module, you can see that on one wire it's written antenna, and on other wires you might find the pin name on the back side of module. Here is one more module with 4 wire and 4 wire, 8 wires on receiver and 4 wires on transmitter. Here we have one more module, 3 wires on transmitter and 4 wires on module. So there are different type of modules available in the market, but in every module you will find only 4 type of wires. One is VCC, one is ground, and one is data, and one is for antenna. There may be possible, it may be possible that few modules will not have a wire for antenna, but sometimes you may find a wire for antenna. So these modules are very simple modules. Whenever you want to transmit something, just connect the data on your data pin, give power supply. On receiver you will receive exactly same data which you are giving on this module, but there is an upper limit. Like if you are working with UART communication, you cannot use this module above a baud rate of 4800. So it will work at a baud rate of 4800 or below. So these are very simple module which you can use for different type of single line communication. So that's all for this hardware detail. Please keep watching our tutorials to learn more about embedded system. Thank you.